Just wanna see the light.
Hello and welcome back to Game Development course, and this is a code flow. In this video, we are going to make our game working by providing chances to the player. We will also revisit the function, and discuss about parameters of the function. Let us have a look on our code. If the player do the wrong guess, then we will provide him second chance to guess. Actually, we will set up of the number of chances according to the level of game. So to save the remaining chances of the player, let's create a new integer type if variable, named chance, which will store the remaining chances of the player. Int chance equal to 0. We have initialized the default chances to 0. Now in our main menu method, we have set up different game level, so we will also provide the know of remaining chances, before player move to the in-game state. Or before player start to guess the number. For easy level number of chance will be 5. For medium level number of chance will be 7. And for hard level number of chances will be 10. Look at this code inside if statement. We again have repeated the same code in each if statement. The only difference is sum of the value in the code. So we now can refactor it by creating a new method. Before creating new function, let us have a look on parameters on the function. If we need to pass any information from one function to another for further processing, then we will use parameter of the function. Parameters act as variables inside the method. Parameters are specified after the method name, inside the parentheses. As shown in the example, the method 1 is not using any parameters. As you can see, there is empty inside parentheses bracket. But in method 2, we are using two parameter of string type name and integer type age. Since it act like variable, we can use it in our code. You can add as many parameters as you want, just separate them with a comma. Let's have a look on another example. Here at first we have created a method, named displaySum, having two parameters x and y of integer type. This means that, we have to provide two integer type value while calling the method. Now we will declare a variable sum to add the value of variable x and variable y. Finally we console out the sum using debug.log statement. Now this displaySum function will not run automatically. We have to call it on another method which is currently running. Suppose we have a main method which will run on start. Then let's have a two variable a and b in with certain value on them. If we want to add these value using function, then we can create our function as in displaySum. Now when calling the function, we have to provide the parameters of two values, which need to be calculated in the supplied function. Challenge time. You have to refactor the code of main menu method, since the nature of code inside if statements are almost similar. Create a new method to select the level. Use parameter to supply a value from different level, so that the output must be as previous. Call the newly created method while choosing the game level. So pause the video now and give that a go. Welcome back. I suppose you have done it already. Look how I am going to complete the challenge. First we will start by creating new method named selectLevel. Since the nature of code in every if statement of main menu are similar, I will copy the same code from one of the statement, and paste it in our selectLevel method. In this log statement, in place of hard level, we have to display different level, according to the selected one. And we will also change the range of the level. Value of number of chances will be different. And the current state of game will be always in game, after the main menu state. So now, we will create a parameters for them, which will be supplied while calling the function. Easy, medium, and hard are a text or a string. So we will create string type parameters for level. And we have start and end range for creating random number, so we will make both start and end range as integer, since range are in number. Finally, the number of chances is also a number, so we will create underscore chance variable as integer type. Now we will use level variable in place of this actual difficulties level, so that we will get the value of level and display here. Since level is a variable, we need to concatenate or join it by separating string. And for this we use plus operator. Like this. We will also change start and end range. Like this. We no more need to display the generated random number to player, because it has to be guessed by player to win the game. We will also change the static value of chance to _chance. I am just rearranging this code so that it is more clearer and looks beautiful. Now, to call this method in if statements, we will write the method named. Like this. Here this select method is asking the value of level, start range, end range, and the chance, because we have defined the parameter while creating the method. For easy level, we will provide string of easy. Then separate by comma, provide 1 as start range, 11 as ending range, and 5 as number of remaining chance. The start range in all level is start from 1. So in this case we will not need the start range, because it is always 1. So I will change start range as 1 in our select level method. We no more need this int start range parameter. And also no need to supply 1 from here. Again we will do same for medium level. Just change the values of different parameters. Level will be medium, end range will be 101, and number of chance will be 7. For next, level will be hard, end range will be 1001, and number of chance will be 10. Finally, we have refactored the main menu method more clearer. Now in in-game method, we will not display the player's guess from here. Actually we pass it to win screen and check chance method to display guess if necessary. So I will remove it from here. After converting player's input to integer, pass it to win screen and check chance. We will receive and store the value of guess from parameter in our new guess variable, in both of the function. And if players win the game by guessing correctly, we display a message including his current guess. If player's guess is wrong, then we will check if his number of chances is remaining or not, to guess again. So if chance is greater than 0, then he can guess again. If not, then he lose the game. When player press enter, then it is counted as he has guessed the number. So we have to decrease the remaining chances by 1. This can be done by using unary operator, like this. Chance minus minus. Chance minus minus will decrease the value of chance by 1. So after some guesses the chances will be 0. If the number of chance are greater than 0, then we will show the message, showing that if his guess is higher, or lower than the random number. Therefore we will check here. If the guess is greater than random number or not, like this. If it is greater, then show the message his guess is higher. If not, then show the message his guess is lower. In select level method we will add additional information to player, saying to enter their guess from the range of selected level and press enter from keyboard, like this. And also here we will show the guess made by player. Like this. Now, let us check our game by playing it. When we hit play icon we get welcome message and message to choose the level from our start game method. I will select medium level by pressing 2 from keyboard. Here the information of medium level are displayed, including the range. Now I will guess the number. 50, the guess is lower. OK, 80, again lower. 90, lower. 99, it is showing higher. It must be between 90 and 99. 95, higher. 94, higher. 93, you win the game. I have completed it on 7 step. Luckily the chances of medium level is 7. Again, I will stop and play again. At this time I will guess the number in such a way that I lose the game. You lose the game. It's because I have no more chance left, my all 10 chances are finished. Fantastic. How did you guys get on? If you have any difficulties in this video then comment below. Also, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel.